Hello everyone, I am Reja and welcome to a brand new tutorial on PL/SQL APL's control statement. Control structures. If we need to run the specific block, even if we loop in block or some other controlling, in Oracle the control structure are arranged. First we will discuss about if control statement. So let's do it. Here it is. We can see that in declaration section the variable b employee salary, its type is number and its precision and scale 18 and 2. And inside the begin block we can see the variable b employee salary and its value is here 150000. So and the line number 5 where we use the if condition, if control statement, and here the checking is salary less than 1540, and inside the if block here we use begin and end, and here the salary is less than, and this is the message actually. So and another one is else condition. Here we use the if the salary greater than 1540 are equal, then the your salary is greater than or equal to and the salary. And if and else if will not work, then the statement final statement else will work and your salary is not found, this one. So if we execute this one, and the result is your salary is greater than or equal to, so this is the if condition or if control statement in PL/SQL. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Keep watching the next tutorial. Thanks.